yung idea din with this experience, parang, ano siya, parang from start, kung paano namin siya pinlan, even yung mga logo, kung paano siya na-develop. Nandiyan, makikita niyo sa logo sa nagsimula yung logo ng simula po kasi hanggang sa nag-evolve siya, hanggang sa naging final, nandito kasi. And paano namin siya mako-connect with our concert? Actually, with simula po as kick-off concert, ang goal talaga namin is more than the performance, it's a storytelling talaga. Like, we want our audience, the fans, 18, to experience kung ano talaga yung buong journey ni SB19 with our performances. Di ba dati pag nag-show kami more on performance naman, pero mas marami kaming talking. But now, we want to focus on performance talaga. Parang yung approach namin dito is medyo theatrical. Medyo ganun yung goal namin talaga. Like, Broadway, walang hingahan to, walang hingahan. Like, we just wanted to experience and to witness the journey of SB19, the cycle. Like, magugulat kayo, akala niyo tapos na, pero parang mga gano'n.